The best nursery dressers and chests reviews. The best nursery dressers are your answer to organizing your children's clothing and folding them nicely in compact drawers. For example, you could allocate dedicated spaces for onesies, pants, outfits, and pajamas without mixing them up. This post includes everything you need to know about the top nursery dressers, complete with their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision when choosing one. Number 1. Delta Children Universal 6-Drawer Dresser. Delta Children's dressers are known for their classic designs and sturdy wood construction. This one comes in 6 colors, including gray, white dark chocolate, espresso cherry, black cherry espresso, and black, that could be paired with other Delta Children products. What we like: 6 spacious drawers, smooth, metal glide system with safety stops, easy to clean surfaces, stylish curves and legs add character to any nursery. Meets the American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, safety standards. What we don't like: new dressers may have a strong, unpleasant odor. Assembling the parts may be difficult for some. Number 2. ROMOON Dresser Organizer. This essential drawer storage dresser from ROMOON reduces clutter and lets you segregate the items into the right places. Designed with spacious storage drawers, the organizer is constructed with style and quality. A wide variety of baby items, clothes, shoes, toys, and all other accessories could be sorted and organized efficiently. What we like: 2 different size drawers to satisfy storage needs. Constructed with eco-friendly material and durable wooden handles for smooth opening and closing. Detailed instruction manual for easy assembling process. Easy to clean. What we don't like: may not be easy to assemble for all. Drawers may not slide smoothly. Number 3. mDesign Wide Dresser Storage Tower Furniture. For a classy addition to your baby's room, this streamlined and lightweight dresser from mDesign would do. It features 5 fabric bins instead of drawers with an outer metal framing. These bins are easy to store and organize baby clothing and belongings. The wide laminate top could be used to place lamps or any other essentials, such as a changing tabletop. What we like: removable drawers are easy to open and close, stylish and durable, easy to clean. Scratch-resistant plastic feet protect the floors, ideal for small spaces. Easy installation. What we don't like: fabric drawers may give an unpleasant smell, paint may chip away. Number 4. Loft Storage Cube Dresser Organizer. This is another compact baby dresser designed for minimalists and design aficionados who want a space-saving solution. It has 5 drawers that are ideal for storing baby clothes, shoes, accessories, and toys. Weighing around 20.6 pounds. It is available in light gray and natural shades. What we like: tear-resistant and flexible fabric, easy-to-use handles, crafted with sturdy steel that makes it as durable. The wood top could be another storage option, easy to assemble. What we don't like: not a sturdy dresser. Small drawers may not accommodate extra items. Number 5. Evolur Aurora 7-Drawer Double Dresser. Evolur collections are inspired by European style and blended with traditional and modern elements with a touch of vintage artistry. This Aurora double dresser is a Victorian-style dresser incorporating feminine carving, crystal knobs, Queen Anne furniture-style feet, and a delicate ribbon and bow scroll work. Available in 5 different finishes, these dressers match any decor. What we like: 7 drawers featuring 5-piece drawer construction and dovetail joints. Side-mounted 3-tier full extension glides for durability. Comes fully assembled. Constructed with kiln-dried hardwood and fine veneers. Has a comfortable height. Includes anti-tip kit. What we don't like: requires maintenance. At least regular dusting with a lint-free cloth. A varnish inside the drawers may smell bad. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.